Students, now let us look at a rectilinear location model. This model is more appropriate when the solution space is a plant, warehouse, or a city where the physical movement occurs in a rectilinear manner because of the grid structure of the route system. Linear nahi ho sakta, it could be rectilinear in nature. So that is why this is one of the actually simplest model. आपने physical movement देखनी है और आप लोकेट करना चाह रहे हैं कोई वेयर हाउस, कोई प्लांट, कोई लेट्स से, तो उसके लिए ग्रिड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द राउट सिस्टम इज एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट. The rectilinear distances between an existing facility A with coordinates x and y and the new facility P with coordinates A and B. So DAP is actually defined as follows. तो आपके पास coordinates होंगे x, y. A center of gravity model, if you can remember from your previous courses, was also one of the techniques that would locate the facility location, or there were some supply plants, there were some destinations, जो markets हैं, तो you want to put some warehouse, तो उसके लिए भी आप rectilinear distances ही find करते थे. It was a kind of a rectilinear model. So DAP, the rectilinear distance between A and P, A being the facility A, existing facility A, P being the new facility जिसको आप locate करना चाह रहे हैं, it would be defined as follows. Now, DAP would be given by the absolute value of x minus A plus the absolute value of y minus B. These are the coordinates, x and y, A and B. When there are m existing facilities, let's say A1, 2, 3 to AM, बहुत सारी existing facilities है, with each having a flow of W. With the new facility, the problem of new facility location to minimize the total movement can be represented as follows. So what you need to do, you need to minimize the flow from xj minus A plus yj minus B coordinate. So there are multiple existing facilities, but one, remember that, but one new facility. So you need to actually minimize that flow, and minimizing that flow can be actually, we can simplify the above objective function like this. We can separate it. Okay. And then we have a minimize fx function and fy function. Minimize fx function would be to minimize the x coordinates, जो कि x axis पे हैं, and minimize fy function would be all about minimizing the y coordinates. If you remember, that center of gravity model was essentially doing the same. वो यही काम कर रहा था. इसी तरह, इसी objectivity पे था. उसमें आप x axis को separately minimize कर रहे होते थे या minimum distances को देख रहे हैं, और y को separately देख रहे हैं. The x coordinate of the new facility will be the same as the x coordinate of the one of the existing facilities. And this is true for the y coordinate of the new facility as well. However, the xy coordinates of the new facility may not coincide with the x and y coordinates of the same existing facility. ये पॉसिबल है कि आपकी न्यू फैसिलिटी का एक्स एक्सिस जो है वो आपकी किसी भी एक मल्टीपल के एक्स एक्सिस पर मौजूद हो, ग्रिड पर, वहीं पर, उसी लोकेशन पर हो, और ये भी पॉसिबल है कि आपका जो वाई एक्सिस है वो भी किसी एक से मैच कर रहा हो. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि एक्स वाई पूरा का पूरा पेयर आपकी किसी एग्जिस्टिंग फैसिलिटी से मैच करेगा. इट वुड बी लोकेटेड ऑल टुगेदर एट अ डिफरेंट प्लेस. सो द ऑप्टिमल लोकेशन for the x coordinate or y coordinate for the new facility is a median location, for which no more than one half of the traffic flow is to the left, that means below, for the y coordinate of the location of the new facility, and no more than one half of it to the right or the above of the new facility. यानी जो आपकी न्यू फैसिलिटी है वो कुछ इस तरह होगी कि इट वुड बी एट द मीडियन वैल्यू. मीडियन वैल्यू से क्या मुराद है यहाँ पे, कि जो फ्लो है नॉट मोर देन हाफ ऑफ इट वुड बी बिलो इट, नो मोर देन हाफ ऑफ इट वुड बी अबव इट. तो इस तरह आपकी वो फैसिलिटी लोकेट हो रही है. थैंक यू.